so we are ending our year, and I know. So one of the things, though, that we have done a really good job with, Ramon, over the year is actually practicing writing proficiently. So what does it look like when I ask you to go write and give me a proficient piece? What does it look like? What do you have to do as writers to make sure you're getting that proficient grade? Isaac, give me one.
Focused on your job as
Okay, so you're focused.
Yeah.
Writers have to be focused. What else do we have to do in order to get proficient in our writing? Savannah?
Make sure it makes sense.
Aha, we have to make sure our writing makes sense. I agree with that. Anais?
We have to have the right punctuation.
We do have to have the right punctuation, because what happens if I don't have my periods? What happens to meaning?
You have one long sentence.
Well, I have one long sentence, and meaning breaks down, doesn't it? Jordy?
You need a topic
I need a topic, and I have to stay
on the topic.
I have to stay on the topic. Because, one time I wrote about penguins, but then I actually started writing about something else. And that didn't make sense. All right, what else? Essence?
Organization.
We have to have our organization. So what does organization look like? What do we have to do as fifth graders in our writing? We have to make sure we write with...
Paragraphs.
There you go. We have to have paragraphs. Eric, do you have an idea of what we have to do to get a good grade? To be on grade level?
Craft.
We do have to add craft. Yeah. You know what? Craft is a huge thing. Now, today, you might not need craft. It just depends on you as a team with what you're going to do, and depends on the actual prompt and what it's asking you to do. Okay, so knowing that, you guys, we're at the end of the year. Now, this is your time to demonstrate to me what good writers you are, and that when you put your pencil to paper, you are actually going to provide and write a proficient piece, okay? So it's going to look like you will be in teams. You've done an activity like this before. You've had to write like this before. So you're going to be in teams. So I'm going to read the poster to you. Your job as writers today. 1, you're going to read the prompt, answer the prompt, and then write a proficient piece. I know you can do it. You have a checklist. Now this checklist, I'm just going to go over very quickly, but you are going to be provided with, at your teams, you're going to be provided with a checklist. So if it's more visual for you at the table, okay, you have it. So 1, you have to decide as a team what you have to write based on what the prompt is asking you to do, okay? So then you're going to read the 2 texts. And when you read the text, you have to decide how all of you are going to get the information. So are you going to read it together?
Yeah.
Are you going to take turns? You have to decide as a team how all of you are going to get the information, okay? And I'll be watching for that. How do you work collaboratively when you have to read something together, okay? You're going to then work as a team to decide the following: your topic sentence and the intro. Staying on topic, your transitions, organization, everything we already know. You're going to continue to work as a team to read each sentence and make sure those sentences are perfect, punctuation and all. And if you have to add information to the text, you add it, or to your piece. Now here's one thing. Because you are collaboratively working together, it's going to be very important that all of you take a part in the learning and the actual work that you have to do. I know sometimes when there's 4 of us in a group, it's almost like, okay, 2 people are working while the other 2 people are kind of hanging out.
And talking.
And yeah, so today, that doesn't look like that, okay? All of you are going to allow everyone to have that opportunity. So if it means stepping back out of the leadership role and say, what do you think? You haven't added anything yet. What are you thinking? This is where we're at. So you have to work on that. I'm being listening, and as I'm walking by, I'm not going to help, because the idea is, can you do it independently? But more importantly, can you do it collaboratively? Okay, that means including everybody. So let's look at the 2 pieces of text you're going to read about. I'm not going to read them up here. You're going to read them together as a group. Yes, Jordy?
Is it like compare and contrast?
Well, I don't know what the prompt says yet.
Oh, okay.
So you are going to read a short piece on the puffin, okay? So it's a very short piece, very easy. I made it to where everyone in this room can read this piece of text, okay? So you have a piece on the puffin. Then you have the piece on what's the bird called? The oil bird, or he's known as the nocturnal bird of South America. So again, this is your second piece of text. All right, so what does it say? You're going to read the text, First, you have to decide how you're going to do it. You're going to read it together. You're going to take turns. However you decide that everyone participates. So after you're done reading your text, you then have your prompt. Now, some teams might read the prompt first. Some teams might read first, then answer, or read the prompt. But let's read our prompt together, all right? Read the two texts, puffins and oil birds. Write a piece that compares and contrasts both birds. Be sure to use the evidence from the text in your writing. So turn to a neighbor right now so we know what is it that we're going to have to write. Go. What are we writing? What are we writing? All right. So what is the prompt asking us to do? Ravon.
To compare and contrast about the puffins and the oil birds.
We're going to compare and contrast. The two birds are puffins and oil birds. And then what is it that you really have to make sure that you are including?
Members. Evidence.
Nice. The evidence from the text. Good, good. So, all right, so here's what we're going to do. I'm going to put you into your groups, and then I'm going to let you go. I'm going to be roving. I'm watching, and I'm listening to how you're working together. And one thing is, I get to walk around and say, I'm so excited to see what you guys do, because you know what? Towards the end of the year, you've already demonstrated what you have. Now the idea is, how do you do it together? How do you actually produce that productive conversation together about writing that proficient piece? Does that make sense? Yeah. So what are you saying to each other? What conversations are you having about? What do we put first? Wait a second. I can't wait. So that's what I'm listening for when I'm walking around. Okay?